Hey, how you doing? This is Garage Door Mike, and today we are going to show you Canyon Ridge Elements. These are brand new from Clopay. We're doing 3 here. Design 12, REC 13 top smoked glass. You could see how the other door looked, just kind of old and nasty and outdated, and we put these are absolutely beautiful. They're black. We also wrap these openings in the black smooth siding, so that's going to look really good too once we trim it. And I'm going to bring you in closer to show you some of the differences between this and a Coachman. Okay, and the first difference you're going to notice is these are more square, where the Coachman have the beveled edge. That's number one. Number two, the inserts, you can see they still do use that little slider, so you slide that up, and then you'll be able to take these out to properly clean the windows all the way. Okay, these, in my opinion, these elements lined up a lot easier than the Coachman. I don't know why. I only did one here. My guys did the other one yesterday. I could ask them later. Maybe I'll drop it in the video if I do an edit. The other thing is the elements allow for the different colors. So your Coachmans are white, almond, sandstone, and I think they two-tone them as well. The elements are black, bronze, and I think there's another color like charcoal or something. I don't know. But these are the, and elements are only 1 3/8 thick. Absolutely beautiful. We have the Chamberlain DC battery backup video cam, half halo on here. We'll show you that in a minute. Okay. There's the opener. We're still here. We got tons of extra stuff to do. We still have another door to do, obviously. And you can see the difference here. We upgraded to the reinforced track. That one's not done. We're going to do that one next. And then with the one spring setup, we always put a plug there and a lag bolt in the ear to prevent the pipe from pulling hard to the one side. And we got the smoked windows in here. It looks absolutely beautiful. And the nice 24-inch powder-coated bracket. All 14-gauge hardware. Okay. You see the plug there. These doors work absolutely smooth as silk. Nice wiring job by the guys yesterday. Oh yeah, that's the other thing. Let me show you that really quick. This is new. Oh, where are those photo eye wires? They're hooked up, but we don't see them on the ceiling. Yep, that's our little innovative 007. And oh, wait a minute, there's a push button here, so there's absolutely no wires anymore? Yeah, no more wires. That's our little InnoTech secret. We're not gonna let you in on it, sorry. We don't want the competitors showing us up. Although our competitors always copy what we do. It's the biggest form of flattery. So I thank all my competitors. You know who you are. You can try to be like me, but you never will be me. You can keep watching my videos and copying stuff we do, because you know we are the leaders in the industry, and we always do stuff over the top and extra good. We invent stuff, and that's just how we roll. We're still doing cool stuff like that. Those photo eye wires and the push button wires. You don't see them anymore on the ceiling, gone. That's, you know, that's stuff we do. So these doors look awesome. I love them. I might do a quick picture on the video of the third one when it's all done. Absolutely going to look stunning on this house. Innovative garage door for Canyon Ridge Elements. 630-271-9343. www.innovativedoor.com. Like us on Facebook. We'll like you. Thank you for watching our Canyon Ridge 8x8 Elements Black REC 13 top smoke window glass. And as always, I encourage everybody to praise the Lord. Thanks for watching our video.